So next I would like to talk about the roaming feature. So to activate the roaming feature, click on this button here, roam. So now I'm in the roaming feature. What I can do is press W to move forward, S to move back, A to move left, and D to move right. And if you're on a touch screen device, you can manipulate this joystick here to move about. And press up to ascend and down to descend. If you're on keyboard, you can press R button to ascend and also F button to descend. So let me just adjust myself here. Yep. So as you can see, I can move about, I can descend, have a better look inside this area here. Okay, so I'm moving a little bit too fast. Ooh, 20 meters per second, that's quite high. Let's change back to 4 to have a better, smoother experience of looking around the model, going up, going down. Okay, so next, so in roaming we can activate the gravity. What this does is simulates gravity. So as you can see, I am clipped to this floor. Gravity is applied to my avatar, so I can move about and go up, go up, go up, go up, and yeah, I can jump if I just press the R button to jump. Okay, so right now we're here. I can also activate the collision detection. So what this does is okay, if I turn this off, what you can see is I can move about. I can phase through, so to speak, phase through the compressor right here. So to add a bit of realism, we can turn collision on. So now as you can see, I will not be able to phase through objects or walls. So this is a good example of how you can so-called have a virtual tour of the model right now. So as you can see, unfortunately my avatar is a little bit too high for this house, so my head is knocking against the wall here. So now I'm currently in first person view. What I can do is turn on third party. This turns on the third person view, so now we're in third person view. As you can see, my model is just too tall for this doorway access here right now. So what I can do is jump over. Yep. So it's kind of like a game, a little bit like a game. Yep. So that's that. Let me just increase the moving speed a little bit to 8 meters. Right. Yeah. So as you can see, I can zoom through the model here. Can go jump down, have a better look here. So right now cannot, yeah, as you can see, clipping is collision is still on, so I won't be able to go through the windows here. So let me just turn back to first person, turn off collision, turn off gravity. Right, so I can now freely able to navigate and investigate how things looks like inside the model. And okay, next I want to talk about free mode. So free mode is basically allows you to navigate very quickly just using the mouse button. So if I right click on the mouse, so what it does is, let me just deselect the model. So if I right click here and I pull back, so I will go backwards. And if I move forward, push up forward, I'll move forward left. So I can, left and right is different. So what it does is it just turns my view to the left or the right, as you can see. Go forward and go back. So this is what free mode allows you to do. It's quite a I would say better control for what you can do. Yep. And finally, there's a map. You can pull out the map. So what the map basically is a top-down view of the model that you have. Not very useful for this very small model, but if you have a very big project, then let me just quickly disable the free mode because it's messing me up. So yep, so as you can see, the map appears on the top right corner. So like I said again, it's not very useful for this small building, but if you have a really large project and you feel that you're lost of the map, bringing up the map is a good way to help you orient yourself. And also you can left click on the map to navigate around the map easier. Yep. So that is the roaming feature of ShareBIM. And to deactivate roaming and resume back to normal operation, just click on roaming and you deactivate it, and now you're back to the normal. Back to normal.